Today we will clarify Excel's spill range symbol, known as hashtag. I will insert values from another sheet to do this. Just follow closely. All done. So let's say, for example, if you want to find the average of all this Q1 data in 2024 sales, you can say equals average, open parenthesis, A3, and put a hashtag symbol, which is your spill range symbol, close parenthesis, and hit enter. It calculates the average of all this. You can also perform sum and select the very first cell A3 and put a hashtag, close parenthesis, and hit enter. And likewise in count, you can do it exact same way. A 3 and the hashtag, which calculates the count of all that number. Now, if you try to apply the same formula across Q2, Q3, and Q4, you can see that Q3 and Q4 does not really work. The reason behind that is Q1's data and Q2's data is actually a spill range of array. What I mean by spill range is that it refers to a dynamic output of an array formula that automatically expands, or in the world of Excel called spills, into multiple adjacent cells here like this. But for the values in column Q3 and Q4, it's actually an individual cell values, as you can see here. Now, if I were to convert Q3 and Q4 into a spill range like this, let's say I get rid of this and actually get the data from the other worksheet by dragging from column B to fill column C and D, now you can see that the spill range formula actually works on Q3 and Q4. The biggest advantage of using the spill range symbol on your formula is automatic resizing and dynamic updating. It's saved time calculating. The secondary advantage is no more manual dragging or pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to enter multiple formula S for the rest of the rows. Another one is a cleaner formula. As you can see, there's just B6 hashtag indicating everything else below it. Now, after looking at all this, would you use the spill range symbol in Excel? What are your thoughts on it? Share your thoughts in the comment section below.